Yo guys, welcome to it. Today we'll be showing you how to make a Chemex. We've got a specialist all the way from UK. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Yep.
What do we need? Okay, for the Chemex, it's one of the preferred pour over in Kuwait. So the most important thing of all is what do we need? For the Chemex, it has a smoother compared to the rest of the pour over coffee. So this has the smoother and less bitter taste. Thank you very much. I will take you. Hello guys, I'm Elvis and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a perfect Chemex. So what do we need in a Chemex? The following. We need a filter paper. We shall need a kettle. We shall need coffee beans. I'll be using 20 grams of coffee. So we need a scale. This is scale and time 2-in-1. We shall need our Chemex. For a Chemex, I'll be using a medium fine. So these are 20 grams of coffee. Put in our grinder, 20 grams of coffee. So it's a medium fine. You make sure I remove all the residues and your coffee. This coffee is from Brazil. This is my filter paper for the Chemex. What do we know about the filter paper? It comes with 4 sides. So for the 4 sides, we only need, you are going to insert your filter paper into the Chemex. As you can see, I only need 3 by 1. That means it goes onto like that. 3 sides, 1 side this side. For the filter paper, we are going to rinse. The reason as to why we rinse is just to remove that peppery taste. We don't need the peppery taste in our Chemex. So we need hot water in the kettle. You rinse slightly. Rinse. Another reason why we rinse is just to get the exact temperature into our coffee. So finish rinsing. Yep. So we have to dispose of the rinsed water. I'm using the scale 115, meaning 1 gram of coffee represents 15 ml of water. So what do I need here? I'm going to be to start my Chemex. We insert it on the scale. Remember, the scale, it has a scale and the timer. So we tell. Okay guys, I'm going to start the process. So what do we need? I'm going to, since I'm using 1 to 15, so I'll be using, these are 20 grams of coffee. So that means it's 300 ml of water. So what do I need? I'm going to gently pour 100 ml of water to allow the blooming. Reason as to why coffee has to be left to bloom is to get all the flavors. Gently 100 ml. If it reaches 100, you wait. So I'm going to wait until my coffee blooms to allow the full aeration to take place. Our time is going on, so I left it to bloom for 1 minute. So I will continue gently to pour in the center. Then after pouring the center, remember I started with 100 ml of water, so that means I'm going for more 200 to make a total of 300 ml of water for my 1 cup. So pour gently in the middle, yep. So finish with everything. Make sure it reaches 300 as you wait. So we have to wait until the coffee is done. Okay guys, our Chemex, our coffee is ready to be consumed. So remove the filter with the residues gently. As our coffee is ready to be prepared and served. Now our Chemex is ready to be served. Pour it gently. A full 1 cup Chemex. All of it in 1 cup. That's it.